I would probably move all the mic stands first.
Mic stands first.
Get them all attached.
Yes, guys. So as you can see, we had to like revamp our setup totally. We got crazy. We got a full house today. Yeah, this is the lady who takes all her edits. Her name is Mariah. The lady with the plan.
Don, I'm an entrepreneur and also, but I have a job.
So pretty much, apart from like persons assuming that you are not the business owner, which I understand, I 100% understand.
But my color, because it didn't matter. Everybody I looked at looked like me. So I was smacked in the face when I immigrated to a different country and I suddenly was a minority. Then being black meant something.
The only hard time I had really was
I would say don't have these kind of people. If you focus on adding value, and then in everything that you do, if you're coming into media,
Into your business.
well, I don't want to be the right person to say I don't care, but
Yeah, that's okay.
I honestly haven't given any thought to it because I'm
Yeah.
just so focused on the existing opportunities. I'm
Yeah.
not going to focus on
Right.
what could be, what could have been.
Mhm.
There's
that I receive from this community, and there's just tons of opportunity to help businesses.